It's a new dawn, it's a new day. And today we're in the Ardennen again, the south of Belgium. It's been a long time. I'm here with my dad, the one and only Himi dad, and also my girlfriend Sylvia. My dad's on his brand new Kawasaki W800 and my girlfriend is on my dad's Royal Enfield Himalayan, and I am on my classic CB500X, which is the best one. Anything to add?
As always, you're absolutely right.
Anything to add?
No.
No. Okay. It was meant to be good weather. Maybe around the afternoon it's gonna rain a bit, but we'll see. So yes, you'll join us on this little adventure that we're doing. I've got my GPX track set up on Osmond, and I've got my TomTom for the overview. I'll put the GPX track in the description for the people that maybe want to ride it. So let's just start the route and have fun. We have made it to the citadel of Namen. The bikes are there, sitting on this bench with this view, so that's nice. The route goes on to Dinant. Dinant's also a city here in south of Belgium, and in my opinion much more beautiful. You'll see in a bit. Just having lunch because it's already, I don't know, 12 o'clock? So we were making tea, enjoying our little break in all calm, and then came down thunder and rain. So we had to pack up everything really fast, and all our gear and all our stuff and our electronics were out in the open, but we managed. We still live. So we've been waiting here for about half an hour for the rain to pass a bit. The rain shower passed us, so it was heading this way, we were heading that way. So we're gonna leave now because it's not raining over there. So let's ride. side we've got nice weather, sun, blue sky. On that side it's kind of sketchy, and there is rain. So yes, that's Belgium for you. We've had some rain, but overall it's fine. We're gassing up, and then it's just half an hour left from the track, and then we're gonna head home. So it's about an hour and a half, 2-hour ride left. A small part of the track still left, so we'll see if something interesting happens. Nice bike, bro. Where did you buy it?
In the shop.
As you can see, I am almost at 40,000 kilometers. The last review that I did was 10,000, so maybe I'll do a 40,000 kilometer review, because it's been so long. Maybe I've got some new information to tell you. Who knows? Stay tuned. 20 minutes left in our track. I think this will be the last interesting footage. Some mild gravel roads because of roadworks. We had to take this one. A very nice road to end the video with. A lot of openness here. Sometimes I forget that Belgium can be quite beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay bright and upright.